Hi, my name is Jonathan Jenkins, and I'm going to be doing my speech on a protein that's found in the body called laminin. And I think laminin is a very important thing that we need to discuss and talk about, because a lot of Christians use laminin as proof for Jesus. And so let's just get right into it and talk about what even is laminin. Dr. Georgia Purdom, who has a PhD in molecular genetics, said laminin is a protein that is part of the extracellular matrix in humans and animals. The extracellular matrix, ECM for short, lies outside of cells and provides support and attachment for cells inside organs, along with many other functions. In other words, what most Christians get out of it is that laminin is this protein that holds the entire body together, basically. And so now let's talk about the shape of laminin, which is the main thing Christians turn to when they talk about laminin. So laminin, according to Dr. Purdom, has a vertical shape, then it also has two arms on the side of it, so it ends up being shaped like a cross. And so before we get into the belief as laminin as a symbol, let's talk about what happens if someone doesn't have laminin in their body or has a lack of laminin. So when that happens, you have certain disorders like muscular dystrophy, where the body just kind of eventually deteriorates over time and eventually can't function anymore. So it causes these physical disorders and causes the body to break down without laminin, because laminin holds everything together. And so now let's get into where did this belief of laminin as a symbol of Christianity come from? All right, so I think this all originated from a preacher, whose name was Louis Giglio, who had a sermon at one point where he talked about the protein laminin in his sermon, and he talked about how laminin is shaped like a cross and how laminin basically holds everything together in the body. And then he used that to say, with a verse in Colossians, that says, don't worry, Jesus will hold everything together. And because laminin is shaped like a cross, people will use the cross that Jesus was crucified on to prove Jesus, or to show Jesus' power. So, in conclusion, what does the Bible say about things like this? Romans 1:20 says that we can know God by what He made. And I think you see that a lot in these things besides biology. You see it in geology. You see it in all kinds of scientific fields of proof of God through what He's made. And I think it's possible to use laminin as a symbol of what Jesus did, and as a reminder and as proof of Jesus. But even if laminin was found out to not be shaped like a cross or anything like that, it wouldn't deteriorate the beliefs of the Bible. It wouldn't deteriorate Jesus. It wouldn't take away the beliefs of God. The Bible, God, and Jesus, they would all still be the same. Thanks.